In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get student discount on the Skyscanner. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Skyscanner discount student discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called WorldPenny. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 50% discount off your first order, all you need to do is tap right here where it says show code, and here is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this one in order to get the 50% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponfollow.com. And right here on this website, as you can see, we also have some deals and promo codes that you can use. For example, if you want to get this one with up to 20% discount of select hotels, all you need to do is tap right here where it says get this deal. And for this one, there is no coupon code required. All you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says continue to this offer, and you will be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.